Woo. Alright, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we have something that was so much of an impulse buy that I just couldn't pass it up. As you can see by the title of this video, that's right, we finally buckled down and we got ourselves a 2-in-1 exhaust for the Harley, and I am so super ecstatic about this. I've been wanting to do it, haven't been wanting to pay the prices for one. I found a smoking deal on a Two Brothers Racing 2-in-1 exhaust. And I'll try and put the link below so you guys can check it out as well. But we're going to see if it even fits. Apparently it fits and it'll bolt right up. Let's check it out. We're going to pull the bike out real quick and get some clips of it, of what it sounds like now with the Reinhardt slip-ons. And then we're going to go over to a buddy's house and put this exhaust on, and I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping that it sounds louder. I really don't know what to expect. But I'm really hoping that it sounds a lot louder and maybe a little more deeper. I just don't understand, I can't really comprehend right now from watching videos really the difference between the slip-on noise and the whole system and 2-in-1 noise. So I'm curious of what it's going to sound like, if it's going to be much different. So we'll see, but let's pull the bob out real quick and get a little cold start video of it and everything, and then we'll be on our way and get this Two Brothers system installed. I'm super pumped, so let's get to it.
Troy! I love you!
What are we doing, buddy?
I don't know. Something.
We are 2-in-1 in it right now, baby.
Once you hit the button, it just keeps playing and playing and playing.
Overboard the shit out of it. I can't stand it.
One down. The old exhaust is off. She's naked. Just a couple bolts. She is.
Oh, when you bought it.
Yeah, you only have to put the one in.
No top T to it.
Alright, dude, what do you gotta say to him about your freaking bike, dude? Thing's junk.
How?
Oh, you're gonna be late? Wow, what an interesting video. They're gonna love this.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Right now? So it's 2 days later. By 2 days, 2 weeks. We put the exhaust on and it went into limp mode. And apparently you need to tune these things. So Harley's running up the card once again on me.
Running it to the roof.
Had to go get it flash tuned, or ridiculous, whatever. But now it's tuned, it's serviced, and I guess it's ready to go for the next 3,000 miles or however many miles.
Yeah, if it was like the old days when they didn't have any computer stuff on there, it
to a full system, which we're doing the 2-in-1, you have to get it tuned either, and then I have a warranty on it, so you have to go through Harley to get it tuned, or you can void your warranty by buying the fuel pack, Vance and Hines tuner, which I'm about the warranty because it's broken so much already.
Yeah, what is this, like third time?
Probably 6th. But what can you do? Pay a lot of money for junk.
Did you buy another one?
No.
Really?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I'd buy another one.
Oh yeah.
Nipples
dude.
hurt, dude. Nipples hurt, man.
Oh, we're down for the count, boys. Wrapped up hard right
I
now.
don't want my shirt's getting ruined from the wind. I need a vest. That's what I'm ordering. She rips, dude. Sounds good. I like it. I like this sound. I'm gonna have to invest in some stuff on the old Steed. The pegs, dude. Where are them from?
OGM.
That's what it is, yeah. They need to go on that. Them round pegs aren't doing it. Them things are way better.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some for the back now.
This thing sounds way better too. Oh, so the little gal can get on there.
So now we're running
What'd you say?
2 brothers, 2-in-1, and she's a crisper. Super crisper. Is it in gear? Probably.
No, I don't think. I have 1800.
Woo! So that's gonna do it. The 2-in-1's all done. We'll get some more clips of it here soon once the ankle's all fixed up. Highly recommend. Super loud, super good. Crackles like a mother. And we'll tune into the next video. Alright, so I'm actually editing the video as we speak right now. So you guys will be seeing this video on Saturday the 19th. So it's a little while after since I filmed that. Probably 2 weeks, maybe a week after. Around that range though. So I unfortunately had a sprained ankle, so that little last clip in there was super short. And I gave no information about the exhaust whatsoever. So I didn't really like the last clip. So we're going to talk about it real quick. A little background about the exhaust is the Comp S full system TBR 2-in-1 exhaust. I ended up finding it on Amazon for a smoking deal. I actually saw it on one of the Facebook forums under the Softail Facebook group page, and a guy actually posted it and posted the link and said he found it for a really good price. He's going to try it out and he's going to let everybody know if it fits. He posted back that it fit. They had 3 of them left in stock, and I was like, I am for sure buying that thing. So the best comparison I can do, because videos just really don't do it justice. If you're like me and you want to hear something, you watch a video and you're like, well, it sounds the same to me. And I was really a non-believer of like exhaust stuff, because to me I just couldn't comprehend how much louder a 2-in-1 would be compared to my slip-ons that I have, because my slip-ons sounded good too. I was fine with them, but they were just starting to annoy me the way they looked, that's for sure. But compared to the slip-ons, the Two Brothers 2-in-1 is extremely loud. It's not up to the point where it's obnoxious, but it gets noticed a lot, and that's the best way I can put it. It crackles. It sounds really crisp. It's deep. It sounds, I don't even know how to describe it, but it sounds like how a Harley should sound, and it has a nice idle. I would say the idles are about the same. It's a little louder on idle. Nothing too crazy drastic though, where you're gonna annoy your neighbors, but it's when you're pulling out and stuff, you might annoy them just a little bit. But yeah, like shifting through the gears, you get that nice crackle, and then obviously downshift, and you just get that loud, obnoxious, like "Rah!" noise, and it sounds really good. It was worth the investment. Like I said, I found it on Amazon for a smoking deal. I don't even know. I can't find the link right now, or I would have it in the description, but I think they sold out of them, unfortunately. But just keep browsing, and hopefully you guys can find it on there. Like I said, it's the Comp S system from Two Brothers Racing for the Softail Street Bob. And I think it was listed as a Sport Glide exhaust, but like I said, the one guy that I was talking to about it said he was going to test fit it, and it bolted right up. So the only issue we had, like I said, and like you guys saw in the video earlier, the bike went into limp mode, but that's just, you know, common thing if you don't get them tuned. It was my fault because I kind of tried to cheat it, and I was riding around without it tuned, and then one day it just had zero throttle response, and it just, you know, it didn't matter how hard you turned the throttle, it was just going up like 100 RPMs, and that was it. You could twist it all the way, and it wasn't doing anything. So luckily I was home when it happened, and I wasn't stranded out in the middle anywhere. But luckily the guys up at Valley Harley Davidson hooked me up. They came and picked my bike up for me, took it to the dealership, had it tuned, serviced it for me, washed it for me and everything, and now it absolutely rips. So like I said, guys, I appreciate you all for tuning in. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know. My friend's did an awesome job getting this thing put on. It looks killer. It's a timely process for sure, taking some stuff off and on. And if you guys have any questions, I wish I would have got a little more installation stuff of it, but you know, that stuff kind of drags out in a video after a while, so we left a lot of it out, but that's no big deal. But I appreciate it, guys. We're at 417 subscribers, and I haven't even uploaded in a little while, so that's awesome. I believe the content's going to be pumping here. I have to fix my GoPro, or I might end up buying a new one, actually, because it's just not doing what I needed to do anymore, and it's just the battery shot on it, and ugh. So I appreciate everyone for liking, commenting, subscribing. It's been really enjoyable to see everybody's comments and stuff and going back through. I check it all the time, and I hope I'm being super responsive to everybody. And yeah, like I said, if you guys have any questions about the exhaust, let me know. Definitely get some more sound clips of it. It sounded like my mic was messing up really bad, so it's kind of good that we cut the video a little short, and we'll get some roll clips and stuff and put some YouTube shorts up of it, and hopefully we can get some more content out. I'm pretty confident we will. And summer's just getting around the corner here. My ankle's about fully healed up, so we can get back out riding, and I'm super excited. We got the dirt bike project that's coming along great. Got some parts on the way for that, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're almost hopefully gonna crush that 1,000 mark by the end of summer. That'd be killer. And I appreciate every one of you for clicking in, and like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to reply to a comment about it, and definitely recommend the Two Brothers tuned one. It sounds awesome. And that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.